ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kitabhshla, a series crafted for talented and ambitious individuals keen on boosting their wisdom and knowledge portfolio. If diving into books feels like a challenge, you are in the right place. Today, I will break down the 7 key lessons from the book The One Thing in under 7 minutes. The One Thing by Gary Keller is like a wise friend guiding us to success. Imagine you have a cluttered room and this book helps you find the most important thing in that mess. Gary Keller, who is really successful, tells us to focus on the one thing that truly matters in our lives. It's like having a superpower. If you know what's most important, you can do amazing things. Keller, a big shot in real estate, shares his secrets on how to figure out that one thing and make it the center of your attention. The book teaches us to cut through all the unnecessary stuff and zoom in what will bring us the biggest success. It's a roadmap for reaching our full potential and achieving extraordinary results by keeping our eyes on the prize. Here are 7 insightful lessons from this book. Lesson number 1. Clarity is the key. The author emphasizes the critical role of clarity in goal setting. He advocates for asking a key question. What's the one thing I can do that will make everything else easier or not needed? This approach helps individuals identify the most important tasks and allows them to concentrate on what truly matters. It's similar to having a clear roadmap for achieving objectives. When priorities are well defined, energy can be directed towards tasks that have the greatest impact, enabling individuals to focus on actions that will make the most significant difference in reaching their goals. In a sense, the author underpins that clarity serves as a guiding principle for effective decision making and productivity. Lesson number 2. The Domino Effect. The author introduces the concept of the domino effect, illustrating how small actions can culminate in significant results, similar to setting off a chain of dominoes. By consistently addressing the most crucial tasks, individuals initiate a chain reaction that propels them towards achieving larger goals. This perspective emphasizes the idea that mastering one task effectively can create a ripple effect, simplifying the accomplishment of other tasks as well. The domino effect serves as a metaphor for the power of focused and strategic actions, suggesting that by tackling key priorities, individuals can capitalize on a series of positive outcomes that contributes to the achievement of overarching objectives. Lesson number 3. Time blocking. The author advocates for the technique of time blocking, a strategy involving the allocation of specific chunks of time dedicated to the most important task. The objective is to eliminate distractions and concentrate solely on the designated activities during these time blocks. This approach enhances productivity by allowing individuals to give their full attention to one task at a time. Time blocking is rooted in the idea of being intentional with one's time, ensuring that each movement is optimized by focusing on what truly matters. By implementing this method, individuals can streamline their workflow, reduce interruptions, and make efficient use of their time to maximize productivity. Lesson number 4. Embracing the 80/20 principle by Keller. The book explores this principle, asserting that 80% of results stem from 20% of efforts. In simpler terms, a small fraction of one's activities yields a significant impact. The concept advocates identifying the most crucial tasks and concentrating on them to achieve optimal results with less effort. It underpins the importance of strategic thinking about where to allocate time and energy, ensuring that these resources are directed towards tasks that will have the most substantial impact on reaching goals. Embracing this principle is a strategy for efficiency, encouraging individuals to prioritize and focus on the critical few tasks that contribute the most of overall success. Lesson number 5. Say no more often. In The One Thing, the author underscores the importance of saying no as a crucial lesson in minimizing distractions and avoiding unnecessary commitments that could derail progress. Learning to decline certain requests protects one's time and allows a focused concentration on what truly matters for goal achievement. This approach involves setting boundaries and being selective, ensuring that energy is directed towards tasks and activities that are the most pivotal for success. By saying no strategically, individuals can safeguard their priorities, maintain focus, and allocate resources effectively to maximize their efforts towards reaching their objectives. Lesson number 6, purposeful goal setting. The one thing advocates for purposeful and specific goal setting, emphasizing the alignment of daily actions with long-term objectives to create a roadmap for success. Setting goals that are achievable and measurable not only serves as motivation but also provides a clear sense of direction. The concept encourages individuals to be intentional about their aspirations and to take daily steps that bring them closer to their goals. This approach is likened to have a guide that keeps individuals focused on the most significant aspects of success, ensuring that their efforts contribute meaningfully to the overarching objectives. Lesson number 7, balancing work and life. The author tackles the idea of balance and suggests a different approach. Instead of trying to balance everything equally, he encourages individuals to focus as a counterbalancing act between the work and personal life. Recognizing that there are times when one area may need more attention than the other allows for a more realistic and sustainable approach to success. It's about being flexible and understanding that there will be periods where work or personal life might need more focus. But over time, finding a rhythm that works for you and maintains a sense of overall equilibrium. In conclusion, the one thing is a practical and insightful guide that empowers individuals to cut through the noise, prioritize effectively, and achieve extraordinary results. Gary Keller's principles provide a roadmap for simplifying success, making it an invaluable resource for anyone striving to excel in both personal and professional endeavors. Think of this book as a treasure chest of knowledge, but here's the twist. It's not just about stuffing your brain. It's about unleashing that wisdom into your life. Books are not just givers, they're transformers. It's not what you take from a book, but what magic books draw out from you. It's time to turn those insights into action. Thank you and see you in the next video.